Hi, I'm Rikk Beatty, product specialist and guitar clinician for Ampeg GVT guitar amplifiers. In this video, we're going to talk about the design concept behind the new GVT amps and go through all of the core features. Let's start out by talking about the design concept, which actually began back in the 60s. Some may not know that Ampeg has been in the guitar amp business for decades. In fact, Ampeg was the very first guitar amplifier to ever have spring reverb. The new GVTs were inspired by the legendary Ampeg GVT guitar amps of the 60s and the 70s. The VTs offered unique features and tones only available through Ampeg, which is why to this day, these amps are highly regarded and still in use. So let's get into the core features so you can understand how and why GVT is all about straight up tone. First off, GVT stands for Guitar Valve Technology. GVT amplifiers feature all tube designs and have no op amps or MOSFETs in the main signal path. The biggest benefits to this are, of course, amazing tone, and that it allows the true sound of your guitar as well as the dynamics of your playing to come through the amplifier. The GVT family offers both Class A and AB designs, which serve as the basis for a wide range of tonal and dynamic flavors. Each amplifier can switch between full power and half power, which allows you to tailor the amp's power section to best match the playing environment. As I mentioned, GVT is inspired by Ampeg's classic VT series from the 60s and the 70s. In order to deliver this unique Ampeg guitar tone, we chose 12AX7s for preamp tubes, and depending on the model, either 6L6 or 6V6 power amp tubes. When it comes to the EQ, Ampeg provides one of the most unique and powerful tone stacks through its legendary Baxandall EQ circuitry. Baxandall EQ, synonymous with the Ampeg name and tone, is unique in that it provides 3 bands of non-overlapping frequency control. Your high and low EQ has a full plus to minus 12 dB range, and your mids have a negative 10 to plus 6 range of non-overlapping frequencies. The mids were placed on a separate circuit path before the high and low EQ, giving you not only an independent mid-band control, but also a secondary gain stage. This means that no matter what guitar you play, you'll be able to find your tone. Be sure to check out the in-depth video which dives deeper into Baxandall EQ. Because Celestion speakers are the voice of rock and roll, they were the obvious choice for GVT. You can hear legendary tone and performance through the vintage 30s, 7080s, and the Tube 10 speakers used in GVT amplifiers. The 7080s can reproduce a wide range of sounds and styles while adding the undeniable Celestion character tone. The vintage 30s bring warmth and crunch on thousands of recordings from notable players including Slash, Steve Stevens, and Peter Frampton, just to name a few. And the Tube 10s found in our GVT 5 model amps deliver maximum response and amazing sound. Whether you're a touring professional or a weekend warrior, your gear needs to deliver night after night. And that's why GVT is built using the highest quality material and construction standards. We use 15mm void-free birch plywood for the shells, single-piece bent and welded metal designs for the chassis, and double-sided PCBs with heavy copper traces. There are multiple head and cabinet options within the GVT line. Whether you need an extension cabinet for your GVT combo or head, the GVT 112E and 112EW offer more options. Each head and combo amp comes equipped with multiple speaker outputs so you can connect to any extension cabinet. The GVT 112Es and GVT 112EWs allow you to create a rig that best matches your playing and performance needs. The GVT 112EW incorporates Ampeg's legendary double baffle design. This design creates extended low-end frequencies that can warm up your tone or add to the massive sound that you already have. Our GVT 15 and GVT 52 models feature foot-switchable spring reverb tanks and series effects loops that, when switched to the off position, are true hardwire bypassed. Our series effects loop is a much more popular design than the parallel effects loop and accommodates anything from standard pedals to switching system processors. No matter what effect accessories you have, GVT has you covered. When it's all said and done, Ampeg GVT amplifiers will give you a unique straight-up tone in a vintage-looking amplifier that's built to withstand anything that the road can throw at it. I'm Rikk Beatty with Ampeg. Thanks for watching.